So one question that I get a lot from new Thrive Life consultants and customers is, how do you use this food, and is there a recipe book? Well, I have actually two different resources for you for recipes. Thrive Life does not have a recipe book per se, but they have a very large recipe section on their website. So let's go to the computer and let me show you where you can find the recipe section. So here we are on the Thrive Life homepage, and to find the recipes, you go to Learn and Recipes. Now this takes you to a page that has a few recipes on it. This kind of drives me nuts because there should be a dash in between there, because this is 6 ingredient recipes in 15 minutes or less. So these are 9 recipes that take 6 ingredients that you can make in 15 minutes or less. But over here is the main recipe site. Now it used to be when you clicked on here, it took you right there, but they put this extra page in here. So when you go to the main recipe site right here, you see that there are hundreds of recipes here. They have all these different categories, which is pretty cool. You can even add your own recipe right here. Many of these are done by Thrive Life, and many of them are done by consultants or customers who have added them as well. So you can click on any category that you want and take a look at all the different recipes. And each one will tell you all the ingredients that you need. They're not all 100% Thrive, like this one, 100% Thrive. This one is 57% Thrive, 33% Thrive. So, but it gives you all kinds of ideas of what to use, how to use your food and the recipes. So you can, of course, use this for yourself, or you can introduce it to your customers. All you have to do is to send them this is copy this, copy and paste, and then be sure to change the 3 W's to your name, like I talked about in how to use your link properly. And then if you send that out, then your customers will come directly to this recipe page. And like I said, there's hundreds of really good recipes in here by category. I also have another recipe resource for you, and it's a Facebook group called Thriving Good Recipes. Now this is a clearinghouse of recipes that anyone can contribute to. You don't have to be a consultant. You don't even have to be a customer. You can just be a prospective customer that wants to go and see how other people are using Thrive. And this is so cool because you can see all the different ways and creative ways sometimes that many people are using Thrive foods. So if you're a member there, you can see other people's recipes. You can add your own recipes. You can do a video and upload it. You can do a Facebook Live video, or you can just do it with a text where you just take a picture of your completed recipe and put that in there with the text of listing the ingredients in your recipe, so that anyone who has a question about Thrive and how to use it can go there. Now this is not a place for you to go and put your link to try to find new customers. The idea here is in the intro that I do for that, I say, if you have questions about Thrive Life, then please go back to the person who referred you to this group, so that hopefully if you refer customers or potential customers and they have questions, they will go back to you. But this is just a big clearinghouse resource for my entire team to be able to use. I want to invite you to go there, learn what others are doing, and please contribute your own recipes as well. The more people that we have contributing, the more active this group will be, the more fun it will be, and the more powerful it will be basically as a sales resource for us as consultants. So I'm putting the link here in the description of this lesson, and please go and join Thriving Good Recipes. Invite your customers, invite your consultants, and let's make this really an exciting hopping place for Thrive Life recipes.